everybody, we are Irene,
Elena,
Sara,
Manuela, Alessandra.
We are attending a pastry making course at the Hotel and Catering High School A.Beltrame in Vittorio, Veneto. We are going to prepare a typical American cake, the cheesecake.
Actually, the origins of this cake date back to ancient Greece. Lately, when the Romans conquered Greece, they changed the recipe.
But the most famous version is the one produced in New York. It is composed by a biscuit and butter base, a layer of cheese cream made with whipping cream, and a top layer that can change according to your taste. To make this cake, you can use Philadelphia or ricotta or mascarpone cheese.
And now we are going to show you how to make it. The ingredients are digestive biscuits, butter, Philadelphia cheese, icing sugar, fresh cream and isinglass.
Chop the biscuits. And then add the dissolved butter and stir well. Put it in a baking pan and leave to rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes.
For the cheese cream, dissolve in the cold water the isinglass. Mix the Philadelphia cheese with sugar until you get a thick cream. Then whip the cream.
Add it to the sugar mixer. Add the isinglass and keep on stirring. Put the cheese cream on the biscuit layer. Leave to rest in the fridge for about 3 hours. Three hours later, take it out from the fridge, decorate with soft fruits and serve it.